Energy Suspension has been making performance polyurethane products for over 40 years. One of these great products is our line of rack and pinion bushing sets. Today, we are installing a rack and pinion bushing set on a Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive 6-lug. For this job, it's recommended to remove your engine. However, for this video, we completed the install while leaving the engine in. Next, you will want to begin removing all the necessary hardware as seen here. If you need additional leverage, we recommend using a large pry bar. Once all necessary hardware has been removed, you should have full view of your rack and pinion bushings. In a 4-wheel drive model, the bushings are on top and bottom of the rack and pinion. You will need to use blocks strategically placed to allow as much clearance as possible to remove the bottom bushing. As you can see here, we used a variety of different tools to help in removing this bushing. Modification of said tools is sometimes required. After a lot of hammering, raising, and prying, we were finally successful in removing the lower bushing. Now that the easy part is out of the way, it's time for the hard part, removing the top bushing. We attempted to leave it in, however, we recommend removing the sway bar completely. We found that modifying the tip of a long pole was the right way to start this part. Upon getting to the halfway point, we found that the top of the bushing was scraping against the power steering line and would not be able to come out without breaking the line. As you can see, we ended up breaking the line to allow for proper clearance. Now that both bushings have been removed, we recommend cleaning out the position with the tools you have available. This will allow better clearance for the polyurethane bushings. Once you have installed the new bushings, you will need to use a good pair of alligator pliers to install the sleeve. Once the sleeve has been installed, you can install the cap washer to the top and bottom. We recommend cleaning the rust off the original hardware prior to reinstalling it. Now that all new components have been installed, you can begin putting everything back together. Once everything has been reinstalled, you can tighten everything down and torque to factory specs.